Welcome to LogicMonitor, the SaaS-based automated IT performance monitoring platform. LogicMonitor allows you insights into app availability, end-user experience, and performance metrics of your entire IT infrastructure. Let's get started by adding a new device. Select the Device page, then click Add. The Device Wizard quickly walks you through the steps to get up and running. Device Expert lets you adjust specific properties, and New Group allows you to create logical groupings based on device type, location, customer, or whatever makes sense to you. Let's choose the Device Wizard. In this case, I'm going to add a VMware ESX host. Simply enter the IP address or DNS name and click Next. If you have multiple collectors installed, choose the one that you want to monitor your device. After the collector is able to reach the device, click Next, and then hit Save, and you're done. Once you're done, LogicMonitor automatically detects and displays all the important data for that device. LogicMonitor uses over 20 standard protocols to identify what a device is, including native data collection by JMX, WMI for Windows, perfmon, SNMP, the NetApp API, SQL Server, MySQL, Oracle, and Postgres, just to name a few. Because LogicMonitor automatically detects and configures monitoring for devices, you'll never have unmonitored infrastructure again. Within just minutes of setup, you can start clicking through your device data sources to view and monitor real-time performance metrics. For example, I can check memory, which is showing that I've allocated 83% to the virtual machines on this host. I can also view things like network packet rates, which show the amount of packets transmitted through this host's various network interfaces. Expand the graph to see long-term trends, or click and drag to zoom in to discover specific anomalies. You can even customize the device dashboard with important data points you want to keep an eye on. Let's add the VM memory usage, CPU usage, and virtual disk operations. Click the Save button, and you're done. You can also add these widgets to the system dashboard for easy access to data that is most important to you. Just click Add to Dashboard, choose your group, then your dashboard, and click Save. You also have the option to add this widget to several dashboards at once. Click on the Save button and your widget will now show up inside of your selected dashboards. Dashboards in LogicMonitor let you aggregate all your important data from all your devices or device groups into customizable views, easily giving you complete visibility and unique insights to your entire IT stack. You can make as many dashboards as you like and include widgets for databases, network performance, virtualization, NOC overviews, top servers by CPU load, view real-time business metrics such as e-commerce purchases, end-user insights, and even aggregate data for a customer's entire IT stack. You can create unlimited dashboards for whatever is important to you and your executive team. And it's incredibly easy to rearrange them any way you want. Another great part of LogicMonitor is the service page. This allows you to test your website from outside your network to make sure they are up and running perfectly. To add a new website monitoring service, just click Add. The web service option makes a request for your URL, measures the response, and allows testing of the returned result. If you have a more complicated website that has elements such as logins, forms, and e-commerce, choose Multi-Step Web Service, which lets you simulate a multi-step operation to test your website's performance. Choose the Ping Service option to test your website's basic connectivity. Along with powerful monitoring tools, LogicMonitor also provides alerts so you know when and where a problem occurs, as well as helping you catch them before they even happen. Click the Alerts tab to view all of your current alerts. Alerts are automatically configured for each device and all its data sources to warn you when something has gone wrong. For example, we want to set a custom threshold for our ESX server's data store. Click on the Data Points tab and choose the gear in the threshold column next to the data point you want to configure. In our example, we will modify the % used data point. Click Add a new threshold, then we will set the alert to trigger a warning when the value is greater than or equal to 85%. Trigger an error at 90%, and finally, trigger a critical alert when the value reaches 95%. Click the Save button and you're done. To make sure the right alerts go to the right people at the right time, LogicMonitor allows you to create escalation chains. Escalation chains allow you to designate certain types of alerts to be sent to certain people or teams within your organization. This way, only the people that are experts in that area are alerted. In the Settings tab, you will create an escalation chain. Then create a corresponding alert rule to tell LogicMonitor which escalation chain to use for different devices, groups, data sources, or data points. Alerts can be sent via email, SMS, and even phone calls with text-to-speech, ensuring that any critical alert never goes unnoticed and keeps your team focused. Reports in LogicMonitor allow you to create, manage, and run reports on everything from every alert that is triggered to overall metrics like CPU, memory, and network usage, along with any other data LogicMonitor is configured to collect. Reports let the rest of your organization know exactly what is happening in your IT system. With an entire automated IT monitoring suite at your fingertips, LogicMonitor allows you to start monitoring in minutes. Get started today.